Hello and welcome to my new video, which is in this video we're going to study how can we write the posters, how can we make posters, how can we do poster writing. So what are posters basically? It will comprise of 4 marks question to draft a poster or notice. What are posters? Posters are partially notice and partially advertisements. Okay, what you have to do in poster, just make a box and then comprises of the heading or the department which issue it, don't forget to mark it, and the catchy slogans. Some of the catchy slogans can make your poster effective. How can you write it? Let us take an example of blood donation. Firstly, remember this thing. Whenever you have to draft a notice or a poster, firstly we are talking about poster only. So whenever you have to draft a poster, what do you have to do? You have to just take the attraction of the audience or volunteers which are going to be hire that thing which is mentioned in your poster. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to mark the place, the venue, for the position, for the occasion, for the event, for the theme of that poster which it belongs to, and the date, the timings at which entry occurs on any of the occasion or any of the thing you want to buy or sell something and you want to draft a poster over it. You have to mark the special attractions over it. How can you do it? Let us start with the example of blood donation. See here, blood donation, how can you, there are so many ideas through which you can make your poster very effective. How can you do it? Listen, you just mark a catchy slogan like don't shed blood. Why? Donate it, because every single drop can add to somebody's life. How? Because it may help, this blood donation can help an accident victim in when his blood get lost, and a war victim, okay, a thalassaemic patient, a thalassemia deficiency of blood. So in this way you can gift the life to somebody else. And lastly, don't forget to enter the designation and the issuing authority. In this way you can get full 4 marks in your poster. So remember this thing and do lots of examples of over it, and if you have any query you can comment over it, and keep working hard. All the best for your board examination, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.